Welcome to the demonstration on the OzLINK QVRT application. The OzLINK QVRT tool is an application that is designed to work with a standard UPS QVD file to provide quick visibility into the cost of your third-party shipments. This eliminates the need to wait for the UPS invoice to arrive at the end of the week. This application can be run in manual mode or in auto mode. Working in conjunction with the UPS autoloader, OzLINK can detect when a new QVD file has arrived. It'll sort the file, rate the shipments within the file, and then place the result file into a designated folder of the user's choice. Users can elect to not use the UPS autoloader application and simply download the QVD file manually from ups.com. The rating is accomplished by using the UPS Rating API. This ensures that the rates as well as the fuel and DAS surcharges are always current and up to date. The application can retrieve both published and negotiated rates, and these rates can be based on multiple UPS account numbers that may exist within the QVD file. Let's take a look at what this process looks like. You can see at the top of the screen is a toolbar, which is the OzLINK QVRT application, and you can see that it's set to auto mode right now. We're going to simulate the arrival of a QVD file by simply copying a QVD file into the import folder. OzLINK will recognize that the file has arrived, and you'll notice the toolbar changes to please wait while it processes and sorts the file. When it's complete, it'll go back to showing auto load active. If we go now look at the export folder, you can now see that the results file contains the published rate for these shipments. If needed, we could also activate the negotiated rates for this rating process. Let's now take a look at the setup options. By clicking on the gear on the toolbar, you can enter the setup section. You can see that we're currently set to auto load mode. You can also see we have some options on what we want to do with the export file. We can create a new file each time. We can overwrite an existing file, or we can append to an existing file. Now if we go under the settings section and then to the export settings, this is where you can define which data fields will be included in your export. Right now we see the standard fields on the right-hand side, but we can easily add additional fields by highlighting a field and clicking the right-hand arrow. Be sure that when you make changes that you click OK, and we always go to File and Save to save your changes. The play button can be used to launch the rating process when you're in manual mode. The 4 arrows pointing outward is used to activate the auto load mode. I'll click this and you'll see that auto load goes away. If we click it again, you'll see auto load is now active and we are waiting for a file to arrive. For more information on OzLINK QVRT, please visit www.ozdevelopment.com.